Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, perimeter alarm, power brakes, battery saver, body color door handles, braking assist, autonomous braking. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.